Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be making another video on Checkdot because I think these prices are just too cheap to completely ignore. But before I get into it, I need to let everyone know this video is not financial advice. Make sure you always do your own research before investing your money. Also, I want to say a big thank you to everyone who's joined me on this 9,000 subscriber journey. We are now getting close to 10,000 subs, so it really means a lot. If you haven't already subscribed, to make sure you subscribe and you'll be part of the channel before that prestigious 10k mark. So moving on, guys, the project we're talking about is Checkdot. Now, I've talked about this before, and I'm going to just be sharing a few reasons as to why I think this is an opportunity of a lifetime in investing and why you shouldn't ignore these prices. The first reason is look how scarce Checkdot is. So the first reason is the tokenomics. Checkdot has amazing tokenomics. It's very, very scarce. Only 10 million tokens will ever be created. Less than Bitcoin, right? And a circulating supply of 73%. So the vast majority of tokens are in circulation. The second reason is how low the market cap is, guys. A 1.5 million market cap. You just can't ignore it. Okay, the fact that it's gone down just indicates how small and how volatile this crypto is, right? Because volatile cryptos move up really quick and move down really quick, and this is one of them, right? If we go on the 90-day chart, you can see that we've been in a big increase in terms of Checkdot's price, and at some point you have to see a correction. Now, I think this is enough of a correction. We've done a double bottom here, and in my opinion, this is as low we're going to go. I can't see us going too much lower because personally, I think it's oversold at this point. Or it's not even oversold, but it's a healthy correction now, okay? Which means that we're now able to move on to the next wave and now move on to another uptrend. So this is sometimes what happens when you see these rallies. I mean, you've got to remember, in the last 30 days, this one's up 491%. So maybe a lot of people who were up big on their money have started taking profit. Some of the early investors are now out. But that's not an issue to me. If the paper-handed people are out, I'm just going to be buying up their bags because at the end of the day, I'm a long-term investor. I'm looking at this on a 1 to 2 year price basis. So I'm not too worried about any short-term fluctuations at all, if I'm honest, because you've just got to look at it and think, we're still sitting at 1.5 million in market cap. It's still absolutely tiny. So, this is what I say. It doesn't matter if a coin's up 9x. If it's 1.5 million in market cap, that is still a cheap price to get in for a long-term investor. And I stand by that. 1.5 million in market cap is an extraordinary discount for this project. And we can see here, guys, I thought it was cheap buying in here, right? I thought it was cheap buying in around this period. But now we're at the same period again. And I think, again, it's very, very good in terms of price action. Now, of course, it's up to you whether you want to buy or not. I'm not going to push anyone to buy. It's their choice, right? It's your choice. If you do want to buy, the best place to buy is certainly PancakeSwap. But they are allowing for Uniswap as well. But I would say PancakeSwap's the best because it's got cheaper fees. Okay. Now, the other reason is the sheer utility behind Checkdot. Now, I don't know about you, but I've noticed a lot of issues in the crypto space regarding things like security. And a lot of people have lost money on things like smart contract vulnerabilities, things like platform hacks, Oracle malfunctions, wallet exploits. Even people in my group had these filthy scammers pretending to be me, send them links and they pressed on them, and unfortunately they lost some money in their wallet. It's a real shame, but it happens to a small percentage of people, and that's why they continue doing it. Validators slashing and stablecoin depeg risk. Now, I'm actually interested how much insurance they provide. If you don't know already, this is an insurance project, so they basically, provide insurance to people's crypto assets, to people's digital assets. They basically protect them. Now, I'm interested how much they actually provide insurance for, because if something like Luna happened, do you get half back? Do you get a quarter back? to what extent are you insured on your assets? Because black swan events, things like that, or complete crashes to zero, can you really be assured that you will get some insurance back from that? I don't know, but it'll be interesting to look. These are some of the things that they're actually protecting against. So USDT, if it ever depegs, you'll get insurance. PancakeSwap, if there's any hacks or anything like that on smart contracts. Lido, USDC, Aave, and Binance Exchange. So some interesting stuff going on there. You can also stake this for some great passive income, up to 45% APY. Don't see that many other places, guys. A fully doxed team, you can see all their faces, all their names, and their background, and their LinkedIn and sometimes Twitter pages as well. Absolutely great to see. Showing themselves proud of their project, not hiding away. And you can see some of their partners as well. So there's just incredible things going on with this project to me. And I'm not going to ignore it. You can ignore it if you want, but I am not going to do so. High risk, high reward. How much percent of my portfolio did I put into this? A lot of people ask. Less than 1% is my answer. Less than 1%. So you can now realize, yes, I'm bullish on these low cap gems, but I like putting my money into already established high caps, such as Quant, such as Algorand, such as Bitcoin, such as Ethereum, right? So if you only have $1,000 and you want to try and make some more, this could potentially be the gem for you. Now, I'm not giving you financial advice here, but I'm just saying this is potentially one for you. Okay, a 100x from this price, you're talking 156 million in market cap. A 100x to 156 million. You know, it's very doable. You put in 1K, you take out 100 grand. It's very doable in a 1 to 2 year period. But if you're a short-term investor, you know, and you just paper hands and you just panic because it's down 26%, you will never make it in crypto, unfortunately. The people who hold strong and DCA into the dips, they are the people who make it in crypto, not the people who just panic sell because we're down a little bit on the day. Okay? And I truly believe that. I truly believe that. I have a big bag, you know, to the average person. I'm holding a lot in this gem. I haven't sold a penny. Holding strong, and my mind is set for 2024 and 2025. And if, you know, anything crazy happens, then potentially I'll sell or get out the project. If, you know, there's some bad news or something happens, potentially. But as far as what I'm seeing right now, there's no reason for me to look to sell until Bitcoin hits all-time high, because that is when these altcoins go crazy. That is when the altcoin season happens, not when Bitcoin's literally at 24K. That is not the time when altcoins go crazy. The time when altcoins go crazy is when Bitcoin's at 60K, 70K, 80K, 90K, and 100K. That is when you should be taking profits, in my opinion, not financial advice. If you want to buy it, the best place to buy is to go onto PancakeSwap, press this link here to the pair, and it should take you up to a page like this. You press understand, import, and then you simply swap your BNB into your Checkdot token. Make sure you connect your wallet as well so that it knows, you know, how much you've got in crypto. So that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully I just brought a bit more assurance to you guys on this project, because I am still holding the same bag that I bought, and I don't intend on selling for a very long period of time. I'm going to continue covering this gem on my channel because I truly believe there's a lot of utility and there's a gap in the market, and I think crypto insurance is huge. I also forgot to mention the fact that they're doing audits for other cryptocurrencies so that everyone's, you know, aware on the safety of certain cryptos. So they could give a crypto, you know, a bad review if they think it's dodgy, if it's a honeypot, if it's a scam, or they could give a crypto a good review if they think it's a good, safe project. So that's another important thing that they're also doing. But make sure to subscribe, guys. Also check out the Patreon page. The link is in the description. People are flocking into this group because they realize the true benefit of joining, of being a long-term investor with a group who are all providing information and helping each other. You can access my buy alerts, my sell alerts, my portfolio, and the ever-desired VIP Telegram group if you join the VIP Plus tier. So I highly recommend, make sure to join. The link is in the description. Huge life-changing money is being made. Don't keep missing out on these low-cap gems, because these guys are getting it early. These guys are getting in way before the rest of the crowd. Thank you guys all for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.